This Akulono message is beginning to yield results. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, mamas and papas, I present to you the latest industry in Igbo land. Good news for Igbo, good news for Nnobi. The chairman of Seaman Group, Chief Emeka Agbanari, have opened rice production factory in his hometown, Nnobi. This is a very good news. He is now leading the forefront for Akulono. According to him, he's encouraging other Igbo billionaires, investors to invest in Igbo land. Now, this is the same man you see that built this wonderful castle you are seeing behind me also. The man have actually invested a lot in his hometown. And this is wonderful. This is something we all should emulate. Let me leave you to watch the video first. Thank you. This should be applauded, to be honest. This you see here should be applauded. At least we have someone in Igbo land that is investing in something that is not only going to help the state economically, but also in health-wise. This is something we all should be applauding. This thing you see here is kind of industry and factory we need in Igbo land. Because this thing you are seeing here now is going to take a lot of people out from the street. It's going to give job to a lot of people. And not only that, those that are going to consuming this product also, it will also not harm their health. So this is something we all should be applauding. Now, this is a message to other investors. You guys are trying. But I want to advise, please, this kind of investment is what you guys should be investing in. Something that is both beneficial to the economic and also health. Because I have been seeing a lot of our investors investing so much on alcoholic drink. And I ask myself, where did we have the hospital to be treating kidney and liver diseases? Because Every time we're asking, why are we having high increase in kidney and liver diseases? Whereas our investors are mostly investing more on alcoholic drink. So I'm encouraging others to venture into this kind of project, this kind of investment. This is what we need. Thank you, guys.